What's up guys? In this video, I will guide you on how to connect a Bluetooth headphone to your Sony TV. Now over here, I have a Sony Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or model of Sony TV you have, whether it's the Sony Android TV, the Sony Google TV just like this one, or even the old Sony Bravia TV. The process is quite simple and almost the same. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and get your Sony TV remote control. And with your Sony TV remote control, you just want to head over to the settings of your Sony TV. Usually, you should be able to find the settings icon at the top right corner of your Sony TV, whether it's the Sony Android or the Sony Google TV. Just scroll over to the top and then navigate horizontally until you get to this settings icon over here. Go ahead and select that. And now from the settings of your Sony TV, you just want to scroll downwards until you get to the remote and accessories option. You should also be able to find this option on your Sony Android TV as well. If you're using the old Sony Bravia TV, just go ahead and look for the Bluetooth settings or the connectivity settings of the old Sony Bravia TV, and you'll probably find the Bluetooth settings from over there. Now once you go over to the remote and accessories settings, you can literally see we have the Bluetooth settings over here. First of all, you want to make sure that Bluetooth is actually turned on or set to visible so that it can actually find our Bluetooth headphone. And once it is turned on, you want to go ahead and pair or search for the name of your Bluetooth headphone from your Sony TV. You can literally see the pair accessories option over here. Just go ahead and select that, and automatically your Sony TV will start to look for available devices it can actually connect to. At this point, you want to go ahead and get your Bluetooth headphones and then put them on pairing mode as well. And the way you put your Bluetooth headphones on pairing mode can actually be different for different Bluetooth headphones. But in my case over here, there is this power button which I can just go ahead and long press. You can literally see the button over here. Once I long press on this button, the device will be turned on and also put on pairing mode immediately. So I'll just go ahead and long press on it, just like so. Now it is turned on and also set to Bluetooth mode. You just want to go ahead and give your Sony TV some few seconds and they should be able to find your Bluetooth headphones once they are turned on and put on pairing mode. Now you can literally see mine over here at the top. I'll just go ahead and select it. But if after some seconds you're still unable to find the name of your Bluetooth headphones, just go over to the previous option. So just exit the whole page and then go ahead and try to pair your Bluetooth accessories again by simply clicking on pair accessories. Now you should be able to find it. Once it finds it, you want to go ahead and select the name of your Bluetooth headphones. Just select it just like so. Now it is trying to pair at the top. Give it some few seconds. And now you want to proceed to click on pair using your remote control, and automatically both devices will be connected. So you can now get all of the sounds and audio from your Sony TV on your Bluetooth headphones, and this works absolutely well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.